Hello beauties. So in this video we have a question 25 minus 5 divided by 5. We need to solve it. And as you know that I have done many questions on board mass on my channel. So here we have another very simple question. And here they are telling us answer as well. Answer is 4 factorial. Okay, how is that possible? Let us see, right? So you know board mass. What is board mass? If we see, we don't have any bracket here. We don't have any off here. We have division. We don't have multiplication, addition. We have subtraction, right? We have just two symbols. What? Division and subtraction, right? Okay, so we will have to solve division first according to the order of operations, right? Okay, so 25, what is minus 5 divided by 5? It is minus 1, right? Okay, and what is 25 minus 1? 25 minus 1 is 24. So our answer is 24. But they are saying that answer is 4 factorial. How is that possible? What is 4 factorial? 4 factorial is, you know what? It is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So it is actually equal to 24. So they were right. Answer is 4 factorial, right? And now I will just tell you the general formula for factorial. If you want to find factorial of any number, just multiply, keep multiplying that number with its previous numbers n, n minus 1, n minus 2, up to so on. You go up to 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay, like it was 4 factorial. So I will multiply 4 with its previous number. 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1, like that. Okay, and I got the answer. So I hope you enjoyed it. It was just for fun if you know the factorial. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.